It's 92 Breakfast with Catboy and Elisa. Jono's here as well. Today's the day we do a truck full of toys. For the past 10 years, we've given away toys. Normally, it's just been a giveaway as a thank you to people for sticking with us. This year, we decided it would be nicer to do something a little bit more giving. We just got people to suggest somebody who might deserve this.
We had loads of entries. Reading our text screens every morning, we were like, oh, this is going to be so difficult to choose.
We had to whittle it down to 10, 15, and eventually it was kind of a case of pick one out of a hat. This woman was somebody who we thought was just really deserving.
Her dad actually suffered a stroke on the plane to Dubai, and Miss Robinson couldn't come to class, couldn't be in school, and had to take care of him, had to take care of the children, had to juggle absolutely everything.
Kept going, kept smiling. I've never heard her say a bad word or complain.
The guys from Mattel came in.
They're an iconic toy manufacturer. They make some of the biggest toys in the world, Barbie and Hot Wheels.
So we just wanted these guys to smile this Christmas. Giving them all these toys, that's going to make them smile for sure.
Right then, that's all the presents wrapped.
Let's go!
Wait up! Sorry guys, sorry to interrupt your song. We are Catboy and Elisa from Dubai 92. Good morning. We are looking for Annalisa. Where are the kids? We know you had a bad time with Grandad being poorly, so we're going to give you all these toys. Here's a sack for you. Give me a big scream if you want some presents. You can open it. Go. Who wants some Christmas presents? There you go. So that's this year's truck full of toys on 92 Breakfast and Dubai 92. A massive thank you to the guys at Mattel and to Chevrolet. Merry Christmas, everybody.